this video, I'm going to show you how to create sub-accounts from your administrative account and how to assign them a MatrixGold license. So here I'm logged into seller.com, where I'm going to go to my account settings here and mouse over where it says my account and then go to account settings. And now I'm going to go to create and manage logins. So here I can create logins by clicking on this blue create login button here. And here I can assign an account, give it a username, I can give it a password, and I can give the person a name and their email. And here I have to make sure that it's an associate if I want to give them access to MatrixGold. And I can also assign someone else to be an administrator, but in this case I just want to be the only administrator. So once done, you just click on save, and that'll create the new account. Now after that, I'll have to go to the Matrix launcher. And once it's launched, I'll have to log in.
Yeah, so any that you're looking at, just have a look at them, and if you have any that you want to run by me, you can. Just go ahead and reply to my email.
And now once logged in, I can left click on licensing. And here I have a list of MatrixGold licenses available to sub-accounts that I have made. So here I can assign it to this user. And then if I left click on save changes at the top right, you'll see that this person is assigned. And here I can just assign a bunch of accounts to people. So you can assign 2 separate accounts to people here. And you'll see that these accounts are now ready to use MatrixGold. However, if I assign another account, or the same account with another license, it will overwrite the previous one. So it'll get rid of this one and give this person the license, or the same person a different license. And once you're done, you just click save changes, and all these users will be able to access MatrixGold. So you can give anyone access to MatrixGold as long as you've made a sub-account. And of course you can always filter through assigned and unassigned accounts. So these are the accounts that I have assigned, and these are the accounts that I have on my account that are available on my administrative account. And that's how you assign sub-accounts access to MatrixGold.